Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. So let's see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking three cards, guys. Today it's going to be a different kind of reading. One card for your past, the first card. So whatever was your past energy, so what was wrong in your past, or what went wrong, or what was your benefit in your past, and what is your present for today, what you need to do today, and what is your future energy, what is your energy for your future, what is coming towards you in your future, or what is your focus for the future, guys. So we will turn each card as we go into the reading, guys. First is an angel card. This is for your past, guys. So what was your energy? Forgiveness. So often in life we we feel hurt and wounded because of a situation. We face so many struggles and hurts. So in order to move on with our life from our past, maybe we should forgive others and forgive ourselves for all those things that we did, the people we have wronged, or the things that have gone wrong in our life, or the people who have hurt us. We should not hold that grudge or revenge against those people. We should just let go of that hurt and strengthen our heart, open our heart to more forgiveness. So we need to heal those emotional wounds that we are having, and even those people who are hurt because of us. We should willingly, lovingly forgive them in our life, guys. So we will broaden our awareness, and we will bring a deeper understanding of the people who are there in our life, in our situation. So in your past, maybe you were badly hurt. So you need the angel's guidance is that, guys, you need to let go of your past, whatever hurt, and you should move on, guys. So let us see what is our present. Again, an angel card. So usually when an angel card comes, it just means that the angels are there in our life, guys, looking over us and guiding us in every step of our way. So for today, guys, the energy is that we need to have more focus on what we need to do. So in order to get that focus, we have to have that clarity of thought, and we need to take the necessary actions for that. So whatever brings positive results that help us in the clarity in our thinking, we should do that. We should let go of all the worries and hurt, whatever we have had and whatever we have today, and we should think clearly and do our actions based on that. So that is the angel's guidance here. Maybe for some of you all, you may have a liking to some kind of creative work. You may be interested in pursuing some kind of art, painting, or dancing, something. You may have a general liking towards some kind of creative beginning. So you may take that up, whatever you are really passionate about. Maybe for some of you all, you are planning to start a family with this person, planning to have a child. That may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are overcoming your childhood trauma, something of the past. You are healing from the past. So that is the energy with your present, guys. So you need to find the strength and guidance within yourself that will help you to get the clarity of your thoughts, and that will automatically lead you to your correct steps in your life, and it will unfold the purpose of your life for you, what you need to do in this life. So for your future, guys, speak from the heart. So that is your future. What is the energy for tomorrow? So always we speak things that we that we are conditioned in the past by our experiences. So sometimes we speak things just to please others. We never speak the truth. So whatever we think, we never come out with that. So sometimes we need to speak openly, honestly, whatever you think deep within ourselves. So those words will carry the strength and it will have a deeper meaning. So when you speak those words that are truthful within yourself, it will just empower the person who is listening to them. So it will not hurt the other person. It will just give them a better understanding of you guys. So you need to share your true feelings, your true hopes and beliefs, struggles and joy, whatever it is, with the people whom you think are important to you, with your family, with your friends, with this person. So when we express our authentic selves, whatever we are, when we do that, we go into a deeper level of communication, guys, and we will have a better understanding with the other person, and they will also understand us better. So that is the energy for your future, guys, to get a better understanding in your relationship and to have a better future for yourselves. So that is what the angels are guiding you with, to speak from the heart, to speak the truth. So that is the reading for you all, Aquarius. If you like this reading, please comment. If this reading resonated with you all, please comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.